Industrial plastic is something that is a big cause of many of the landfills being filled up with different types of plastics. This is why many of the companies are starting to reduce this by recycling. Plastic waste is something that does not break down like other waste can. Many of it is just going to be melted down and sterilized. After these processes, it will be made into another product. This is something that is going to be helpful to the environment and for people who are living in the areas of the landfills. Just because it is plastic does not mean that it does not contaminate the ground and other areas. This is something that is a very serious problem in many of the communities. Everybody will be able to help out in the recycling process for these waste products also. Not only can industrial plastics be recycled, but so can many of the household plastics. These will have to be separated so that the grade of the plastic is the same and it does not get mixed. Every company is going to be using a different type of plastic though. When someone is choosing to learn about this recycling process, it shows that they are taking the first step to helping to clean up their environment. Many companies are going to do this because they will have a lot of waste and can fill up a landfill very quickly. Every process is going to get done differently though. The type of plastic and what it is going to be turned into will vary. This is why it is very important to figure out what they are going to be doing with their waste. Plastic is something that is easily recycled. Knowing the type of plastic that is used in the manufacturing process is going to be very helpful too. Everybody has a different option when they are choosing to start recycling their plastics. Companies specialize in using recycled plastics for their products also. The color of the plastic can tell them a lot about it too. This is something that is going to help them tell the grade of the plastic in many of the industrial plastics. Even if a company is already using recycled plastics, they can still recycle their waste. It is important for every company to know what they are doing with these products. Not every company will use plastic either. There are a lot of other materials that are going to be able to be recycled too. Efficiency, reliability and much more is going to be expected of every company. These are things that are going to show the community that they are not there to contaminate the environment while they are there. Even though the plastic is a waste product, it needs to be cleaned when it goes to the recycling center. Many of the centers will not take the plastic if it is too dirty. They want to make sure that the products that are being made are sanitary. With all of the different types of plastics, it will be important to know which ones are the best ones to recycle. Not all of them are going to be used for everything. There are a lot of different types of equipment that will use the plastic and turn it into melting chunks for the companies that have molds. Plastic waste is a growing concern among communities. This is why there are so many of the communities wanting to figure out a way to reduce their plastic waste. Recycling is one of the processes that has proven to be successful in this.